What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all of our new subscribers. We appreciate each and every one of you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch and support our channel. It means the world. Everybody, we're stoked. I got a package in the mail. When I came back from vacation, it was sitting on my toolbox, and it was the all-new Pure Bead from Turtle Wax. Me and Junior Smurf over here are excited. Yeah, I noticed you guys saw that 100 washes. That's a bold statement. But yeah, new hybrid solutions, pure beads from Turtle Wax. I was just thinking, Turtle Wax has been kind of quiet lately. They were on a hit when they came out with the hybrid solutions line, and then the graphene to the Max Wax and the Flex Wax. They was pumping stuff out, and then they kind of went quiet. Now I understand why they went quiet. They were developing Pure Bead. Pure Bead is an extreme spray-on coating. We're going to go over a few things on the bottle. And then I just pulled the test hood out of the backyard. We're going to get that thing washed up, polished, clayed, panel prepped, and tape off a nice big square in the center of this hood. And we're going to test Pure Bead, see if it's got any jetting effect. We're going to test the hydrophobics. Maybe do a little washing on it. I'd love to sit there and do 100 washes by hand, but I'm just not going to do that. Maybe we'll do 10 or 20 just to see if that makes a difference or a dent in the hydrophobic properties. So, Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead Extreme Spray-On Coating. Simple streak-free application. It can be used on all hard surfaces, home, auto, marine, and more. Repellency makes cleaning easy. High rated durability. Paint, film, vinyl, matte, glass, plastic, metal. Any hard surface. So, yeah, UV protection. I'll read a little bit on the back of the bottle. That way you guys can get an idea. Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead delivers superior water repellency and self-cleaning performance, producing visible and repeatable results with every application. New advanced protection forms a tight molecular bond that boosts durability, chemical resistance, and long-lasting defense against UV and environmental contaminants. Ooh. Engineered for multi-surface use on the exterior, any exterior vehicle, gloss, matte finish, glass, plastic, metal, trim, as I was saying before. Pure Beads extends the life without requiring any specialized tools or training. So, directions, shake well, but the wash vehicle and towel dry. Obviously, we're not using a vehicle, but I got to test it out here. Shake product well, and then use 2 to 3 sprays per panel. Spread and wipe with the clean, folded microfiber cloth. Use a second microfiber cloth to remove. So basically, one to apply, another one to buff off. There is no cure time. It doesn't say allow sit for an hour, allow sit for 24 hours. So we'll see. Take that with a grain of salt. If I'm supposed to let it cure, then I guess we'll find out. But sun's going down, and I want to get this on the hood and play. So yeah. Note, clay and polish finish first if needed. Do not use where slippery surface is undesirable. So we're going to test the slickness and whatnot. So they did send us some towels and two stickers. So we'll use these towels. We're going to get out on the test hood, get that thing cleaned up. I got my little Flex 3-inch. Just tape off a section. We'll polish it up, wipe it off, panel prep, and then apply and have some fun. So let's get out on the test panel.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. So we're out here on the test panel. As you guys can see, this thing has been sitting in my backyard against the wall for
more than a year.
Yeah, more than a year, huh?
Yeah.
It is filthy.
The big one is way worse.
So I'm gonna get you guys set up. I'm gonna show you me washing, cleaning, prepping. That way you guys don't say I missed any steps. So let's get to work. All right, everybody. So I went ahead, I got the test hood washed up. I did a little polish on it. There's really no embedded contaminants in it. Didn't feel like playing it. I'm running out of sunlight. So like I said, this was just initial hydrophobics. Maybe do a few washes on it to see if the soap affects it, even though it's just a pH neutral soap. But I've got my 2 towels here. It says 2 to 3 sprays per panel. I'm going to fold it like this so I can kind of apply it in the square without... You want to hold that for me, bud?
Yeah.
All right. In the square without getting on the outside of the square. So... Ooh, that smells really nice. Kind of smells like Jolly Ranchers. What does that smell like?
It kind of smells like candy.
It does. It smells like candy. Not bad. Not bad. All right. Make sure that doesn't fall.
I'll hold it for you.
2 sprays. Now, what we're also going to be able to tell here on this dark hood, if the jetting effect, if it has any effect to be darker or if there's any streaking going on.
Nope, that's going to fall.
It does seem to flash pretty quickly.
Oh, it does.
It does smell really good.
Oh, nope. Ah, it's so windy out.
It's very windy out. Out of nowhere, it must have known that I was trying to make a video. All right, towel 2.
Towel 2.
All right, we're coming with the second one and we'll buff it off. I see 0 streaking on this dark blue hood. That is good.
Oh, this is...
Yeah.
I thought it was black. Blackish blue. You can kind of see the blue right here.
It's definitely... It's slick, but...
Compared to this?
It just feels like a little bit slicker. Nothing crazy. You know, I've definitely dealt with a lot slicker products out here, but
like air.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. So like I said, there's no statement on the bottle saying that you need to let it cure, so take that with a grain of salt. I don't know if it's 1 hour, but it doesn't say that, so we're going to jump into hydrophobics testing right away and see what this stuff can do. Let me peel off this tape and then I'll bring you guys in close and we'll have some fun. Thanks, buddy. Junior Smurf over here helping out.
I'll peel this off.
All right.
Oh, wait. Oh, I got it. Here you go.
Thank you, sir. I'll bring you guys in real quick and show you, see if you can see any jetting effect going on here.
I do.
Let's see. It's really hard to see.
Oh, what are those from?
Not too much going on as far as jetting effect. You can definitely see the tape line though. Camera's probably not going to show it, but
I can see scratches like over here. I didn't see these after I saw this after.
But yeah, so let's get this water on here and test out these hydrophobics.
Oh, I can see where the line is when you spray the water.
I can definitely see the line. You see that?
So cool.
That's some pretty nice beadwork going on. Let's see if we can.
Oh, I'm scared.
You definitely see where there is no beading. There's some nice beading going on here.
Yeah, you can definitely see where the square is now.
Now, I'm sure if you let this stuff cure, it'll be even better, but that's some nice beadwork going on.
Yeah, it's real.
Not bad. Not bad. Hold that, son. Let's hit it with a wash.
Oh, I can just put the spray.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Aw,
No problems.
the watch.
Check that out. All right. You want to be the washer or the rinser? All right. Let's go. Like I said, this is just a, hold on. This is just a pH neutral soap. Now I'm not seeing like it fighting it off, kind of like a coating. But go ahead and rinse it. I don't know what's going on in the center right there. That might have been user application because everywhere else looks great. Oh man, it's getting so windy. All right, let's wash it again.
Soap it.
Go ahead. Check that out.
Why is water getting all over me? Look at that square.
I know, right? Yeah, there's a few spots here that I might have missed. That might have been my problem. Like I said, I'm kind of rushing this video because I wanted to get it out, but
Because there's not a lot of sunlight left.
yeah. Oh, there you go. Now you're starting to see it fight off that soap. Go ahead. Oh yeah, and those spots are staying the same, so that was probably my fault. One more, bud.
Okay. Square looks so nice.
All right, let's I'm curious. I wonder if this can be used as a spray and rinse application. So now that you guys saw the bead work, let's
Lemons.
let, let's test it out. Let's test it out over here and see if it'll work. Rinse that off. Ah, it looks like it might have did a little something there. Let's test over here. Spray that off. I think it might work. Rinse over here. I don't know. We're gonna have to do some more testing in the future, but there's some spots here that I don't like. Maybe that was my fault, but
Maybe if you just spray a little bit more.
maybe. Here, hold that. Hold it right there. All right. You see it?
Pop the hose.
That's okay. Hold it right there. All right, guys. I'm gonna apply this wet. Like I said, I'm spitballing here, but I'm gonna do this wet. I don't condone this, but I want to see if this will make a difference in those spots that are in the center. Man, it could be used as a drying aid. That worked actually really well. Now, Junior Smurf's going to rinse it and see if that made a difference.
Oh, it did. It definitely made a difference.
Oh, huge difference. Check that out. Look at that.
So yeah, if you might just add a little bit more onto somewhere that's not like that,
Heck yeah.
it might work, right?
All right, rinse it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's... Junior Smurf's doing a great job. All right. Well, let's do one more wash.
Yep. And Trying not to get the camera.
That's all right. Look at that. Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Oh, get away.
All right, let me grab my drying towel. Let's test it drying
Can I dry?
compared to not with it.
I can definitely see the marks.
Definitely, but you can definitely see
Where it stops.
where it stops. It's definitely easier to dry there.
Yeah, like right there.
Yeah, look at down here just kind of smears. Up here is already.
Especially all these like scratches and stuff.
Yeah. That's a win right there. Right, Junior Smurf?
Yeah.
Should we jump into some final thoughts?
Yeah.
All right.
Sure.
All right, everybody. Me and Junior Smurf just finished up our little quick testing with the Pure Bead from Turtle Wax, and I'm impressed. Like, so far, you know, without any long-term real testing, I can tell you it is very easy to apply. It smells amazing. Not really the slickest in the world. You know, if I still had the Smurf scale, you know, if we're going at a like, you know, 5 stars, it'd probably get like a 3.5 on slickness. But everything else, you know, is fantastic. You know, super easy to apply. Crazy hydrophobics, and they seem to right away already do pretty good in a quick. I don't know how many times did we wash it? Like 8 times. I don't know. I really wasn't counting. I'm not gonna say, yeah, 8 or 10 times, but there was a few little spots that I noticed instantly that, you know, it's probably just user error, because once I came in and wiped it down, even wet, it really amplified those hydrophobic characteristics. So I don't even know if you can layer this stuff. You might even be able to layer it. I'm not 100% sure. But I just wanted to get it out on the test hood, test it out, get some hydrophobics, let you guys know, you know, our opinion on it. So I might actually put this on my Suburban. My Suburban has nothing on it. It's white. So I wanted to show you guys, you know, on a darker hood. That way you guys can see the hydrophobics. But yeah, I'm going to put this on my Suburban and we'll test it. And it ain't going to get nowhere near 100 washes, because I think I wash that thing like 3 times a year. But I'll put it on there and I should be good if it can last 100 washes. But we'll see. We'll see. Overall, I highly enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure this is on Turtle Wax's website for about 20 bucks. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Now, huge shout out to Turtle Wax. Yes, they sent this to us to test out. This is not a paid video. They did not pay me to say anything good about this product. I was actually just in my head, you know, thinking about Turtle Wax, and, you know, literally like a week later, you know, they reached out to me on Instagram and, hey, we're coming out with something new, you know, we want to send it to you. So yes, absolutely. They sent it to me, but this is not a paid, you know, advertisement. They didn't sponsorship, whatever you guys think. You guys always get my honest opinion. You know that. That's why you're part of the Smurf fam. But yeah, did great on the test hood. I would definitely recommend picking it up and trying it. That is for sure. It smells amazing. It smells like straight candy. It smells so good. This is probably one of my favorite smelling products of their Hybrid Solutions lineup. And their Hybrid Solutions lineup smelled pretty good. But yeah, might have been a little longer video, but you know, Smurf, I love to ramble and talk and show you guys what I can. So yeah, what do you think, Junior Smurf? Would you recommend it? All right. So like I said, I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check out the new Pure Bead from Turtle Wax. And yeah, I really, if you like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. You know, channel's been, you know, I haven't been doing much content lately, but you know, the channel's been last on my list. But whenever I get a chance to test something new like this, bring it out for you guys to get my opinion, I do get excited. I came home from work, I said, Logan, we got to get out there and make a video on this stuff. It's new. People want to know what Smurf's got to say. So that's what I got to say about it. So Junior Smurf signing off. Appreciate all you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch and support our channel. It means the world to us. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. I'm going to catch you guys all in the next video.